Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent Podcast. This is your special place for learning English, getting better every day, and having fun while doing it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. You'll want to stick around because today we are going to talk about something very important, learning English and the challenges that come with it. I think you know what I'm saying. Learning a new language can be tough, but you are not alone. Let's explore how we can make learning English easier and even a little funny. The reality of learning English. Let's be honest, learning English is hard sometimes. You might see people speaking English and think, wow, that looks easy. But behind every fluent speaker, there are many mistakes and funny moments. For example, who hasn't said sheet instead of something else? It happens, and that's okay. Today, I'm going to share some tips to help you turn those hard moments into good ones. Take a second to think about a funny mistake you made while learning English. Maybe you said something that made everyone laugh. Share it in the comments below. Remember, we all make mistakes. Thinking in English. One big challenge is thinking in English. If you always translate from your language to English, it can feel confusing. It's like trying to ride a bike with training wheels that are too big. Tip: start small. Try to talk to yourself in English during the day. For example, when you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. When you leave your house, say, I'm going outside. It might feel silly, but it helps your brain get used to English. Example, you can also describe what you see around you. If you see a dog, say, there is a dog. The dog is running. This practice helps you think in English without translating. Now let's talk about learning new words. Learning new words is not just about memorizing. It's about using them. For example, if you learn the word happy, ask yourself, what makes me happy today? Maybe it's your favorite song or a sunny day. Activity: keep a small notebook or a note app on your phone. Write down new words you learn and use them in sentences. For instance, if you learn excited, you could write, I am excited to learn English. Try to use 3 new words in your conversations this week. It could be with friends, family, or even when you're talking to yourself. Let's talk about listening. Listening is very important, but it can be hard. I have a friend named Alex. He watched English movies, but he couldn't understand anything. He felt frustrated. Tip: start with subtitles. Watch the subtitles first, then watch it again without them. You will be surprised how much you can understand just by listening. Example: choose a movie or a show you love. First, watch it in your language with English subtitles. Then watch it again in English with English subtitles. Finally, try watching it without any subtitles. You'll notice how your understanding improves each time. Next is pronunciation. English words can be tricky. Why do we say through, like through? It doesn't make sense. Advice: try to copy native speakers. Pick a short video or a song and repeat what they say. This will help you sound more natural over time. Exercise: choose a short clip from a movie or a song you like. Listen to it several times, then pause after each sentence and repeat it. This is called shadowing, and it's a great way to practice pronunciation. Building confidence. Now let's talk about confidence. It's normal to feel shy when speaking English. Many people feel this way. Remember, every mistake you make means you are learning. Think of it like riding a bike. You might fall, but you get back up and try again. So, don't be afraid to speak. Picture this: a little child learning to walk. They fall down many times, but they always get back up. You are like that child. Every time you speak, you are taking a step forward. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Why? Why do you want to learn English? Is it to travel, make new friends, or get a better job? Think about your reason. This will help you stay motivated when it gets tough. For me, English opens doors to new experiences. What about you? Activity: write down your reasons for learning English on a piece of paper. Keep it somewhere you can see it every day. When you feel discouraged, read it and remember why you started. Immersion techniques. Let's talk about immersion. You don't need to go to an English-speaking country to immerse yourself. Practical tips. Change your phone language to English. This will help you learn new vocabulary in your daily life. Listen to English podcasts. Like this one. You can listen while doing chores or exercising, read simple books or watch English videos. Try to follow English-speaking creators on social media. Challenge. For 1 week, try to use only English when you watch TV or listen to music. Notice how much more you understand. Grammar made simple. Now let's talk about grammar. Grammar can feel scary, but don't worry. Advice: focus on being understood. If you say, "I go to the store," instead of "I went to the store," that's okay. People will still understand you. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. Example: instead of worrying about perfect grammar, focus on your message. If someone understands you, you are doing well. Building community. Before we finish, let's talk about community. Learning English is more fun with friends. Action steps. Find people who want to learn too. Join online groups or comment on this video to connect with others. Share your struggles and celebrate your progress together. Suggestion: look for language exchange partners. You can help someone learn your language while they help you with English. It's a win-win. Conclusion. To sum it all up, thinking in English, using new words, improving your listening and pronunciation, building confidence, finding your reason to learn, and connecting with others are all very important. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Every little step you take is a step closer to your goal. Final reminder, if you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to Fluent Podcast, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. Let's grow our community and help each other along the way. Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, you are doing great.